Hi friends, welcome back to my channel infomorebox. Today I am going to provide more information about Osaka ring lights.
In this video you will see two ring lights of 14 inch with Bluetooth and light stand.
Please watch this video till the end. You will find all the information you need including unboxing, comparison, complete working of both the ring lights. If you think this video is informative then please like this video and don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.
Let's start with unboxing of 14 inch ring light with Bluetooth and light stand. Price for 14 inch ring light with Bluetooth now showing on Amazon 1149 rupees and with light stand is 1649 rupees. Buying links are mentioned in the description box.
This ring light is manufactured by ultrasonic welding with excellent quality and exquisite craftsmanship.
Box contents of 14 inch ring light with Bluetooth is 14 inch ring light 1 notch, T bracket 1 notch, phone holder 1 notch, table tripod 1 notch, Bluetooth 1 notch. 14 inch ring light supports color temperature up to 3500 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. You can adjust 9 level of brightness.
Ring light work with most devices that support USB port like USB charger, computer, laptop and more.
This is bottom shoe of ring light. This way we can fit the bottom shoe and tighten its screw. This is a table tripod on which we mount the ring light. This is foldable and strong and sturdy. Company is offering this Bluetooth device for photography. You can check on-off button on this device. Insert the cell into the Bluetooth device. On cable you can see many buttons: on-off switch, mode change, intensity, plus and minus. After that we will configure the Bluetooth device with the mobile. Go to the Bluetooth setting of mobile and select AB shutter option for pairing. You can check picture is clicked by pressing button on Bluetooth device. In this way you can configure the mobile phone setting. Next we install horseshoe and table tripod of the ring light. Now we are going to put the horseshoe and tighten the screw properly. Insert the table tripod into the ring light and tighten the screw. Adjusting screw of horseshoe of ring light to get the horizontal and vertical shooting. Now ring light is stand on the table. In this way you can insert the T bracket into the ring light. Align the T bracket properly and tighten its screw. Insert the mobile holder into the screw of T bracket for vertical shooting. Change the angle of mobile holder to adjust it for horizontal shooting. This is how you can insert the mobile into the mobile holder. In the next part of video, how to position the light stand within the ring light and power it on.
The light stand is strong, sturdy, stable and enough to keep it at any place securely.
Customize the height of light stand legs according to your specific need. You have flexibility to customize the light stand height anywhere between 24 inch to 72 inch.
It is very effective tool to improve the quality of your videos and photos, whether you are streaming on YouTube, creating TikTok or taking daily selfies. It provides a soft and radiancy look that can make anyone look amazing. Also use it for wedding, glamour shots, flash photography and portrait of all kinds. Now adjusting the position and angle of the mobile phone holder to get the horizontal and vertical shooting.
In the last part of video, ring light is on by pressing the power button. Check 3 different lighting mode: warm, cool, natural of the ring light. Check on the face. In natural mode, decreasing and increasing light intensity by pressing minus and plus button. You can change it to cool mode option by pressing the middle button. In cool mode, check on the face, decreasing and increasing light intensity by pressing minus and plus button. This is warm mode option, which is changed by pressing the middle button. In the warm mode option, you can check on the face, decreasing and increasing light intensity by pressing minus and plus button. Once again changing the 3 lighting mode, warm, cool, natural, by pressing the middle button. In this way you can change the different modes of the ring light. It's all about 14-inch ring light of Osaka brand. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and comment. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.